Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a storage account via CLI. So last videos I tried to show you how to create the CLI, the storage account manually from here by clicking this. But sometimes you need to create this via CLI or command lines. And the steps to do this, it's super easy. So in the first step you need to do to be to log in into your account. Let's see, I'm just opening the terminal in my PC. By the way, if you don't have any terminal, you can click here in this one here. So this is the terminal, the PowerShell, but I will not use this. I'll just use my the terminal in my PC. And you need to log in. Just copy this Azure login because I have already logged in, so I will not do this. And here you need, in the beginning, as I said in the first videos, I have also explained what is the storage account, what is the types of storage account, and etc. Now, to create the storage account, you need to you need to have a resource group, and for that you need, if you don't have already created a resource group, you need to create this resource group. And this is the command how to create storage account via CLI. I will just copy this and put it here. Oops, paste. And I will start with storage account name. Storage account name has to be storage account CLI 01. Let's see, this is the, so underscore or dashes is not working key. And the resource group, and for this resource group you need to go to the website, and you see, for instance, I need to put the storage account, create this storage account inside this resource group. So it's rig demo 01. Just let me see which, yeah, I will just copy it. Sometimes it's, and the location has to be the identical to the resource group. And to see the resource group, go to go to the, and see the resource group here. For instance, I need this one, and you can see the location. Yeah, East USA. You just need to type this East USA, and this is the standard blob storage, and I will keep it as hot. Just press enter and wait until creating the storage account. Hopefully it should work now. So to learn this CLI or command line, it will be helpful for you to create the storage account via pipeline. Perfect, and you can see here it's already created. Once you have see this JSON file, it means it's already created storage account CLI01. Let's be sure this to be here. Go to the dashboard, or maybe it's better to go to the storage account. We can see it, yeah, as you can see here, it's created a storage account CLI01, and it's created right now. You can see, click here. You can see this is the resource group that we have. This is the location. This is the subscription, because you need to uh, log in, easy login. And this is the blob storage. And that's it, how to create a storage account via CLI. In the next video, I will try to show you how to create a storage account via Python SDK version 2 and via Azure DevOps pipeline. Thanks for watching and see you next time.